Hello everyone, this is Nilesh and today we are going to create a React app and it will take a few minutes. So firstly we will require to have a Node.js in our system. So we will go to Node.js organization website and there we will find a Node.js latest version and install that thing. And after that we have some of the commands that we are going to run. So we have a command called npx create app and our app name, which we can take anything. And after creating that app, we will require to go to that directory. So we will go to cd and our React app name, and after that we will start our React app by calling the command npm start. So after installing the app, we will go to app.js and there we will find some codes. We will replace that with hello world or anything that you like, and after removing that extra code and replacing with our code, we will try to build our code again, and we will see in the browser our text is visible in the browser. So yeah, you have created your first React project by yourself. That's it, and you have created your first React app. And if you like that video, please like and share this video. See you soon in the more such easy tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.